Hey folks, the sticker price for this truck is $61,570. Let's see if it's worth it. Here are the basic details of this truck for you. It's a 2022 Ram 1500 Lone Star Crew Cab, 4-wheel drive with the 5'7" bed and the 5.7 liter Hemi eTorque engine. On the interior, it has cloth bucket seats. The window sticker labels them as black. It's really more of a dark heather gray, and then you got black on the side and back. You get the full floor-length console. This truck is also equipped with the Lone Star Bighorn Level 2 equipment group and the Sport Appearance package, along with several other options. The Bighorn Level 2 equipment group includes the options that are on the Bighorn Level 1 equipment group for you, like the 8-way power driver seat with the power lumbar, the 2-way power lumbar support, power adjustable pedals. On the visor, you've got the universal garage door opener and then the illuminated vanity mirrors, as well as having the Class 4 receiver hitch. The Bighorn Level 2 equipment group adds some premium options that get you a little bit closer to that luxury level truck. You got heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, Park Sense front and rear park assist beepers, and remote start, among other options. So the Bighorn Level 2 equipment group, worth it. Without the Bighorn Level 2, I can't get the premium light group. Ram did make some changes that I think are significant for 2023 on the Bighorn Level 1 and Level 2 equipment groups. I'll link another video in the show notes. One of the reasons many people like this truck is because of the visual appeal of the Sport Appearance package, and it looks really good. The big thing about the Sport Appearance package is it replaces most of the chrome parts or black parts on the truck with body color parts. The upgrades that the Sport Appearance package gives you that are not standard or part of the Level 1 equipment group include the body color front and rear bumpers, body color on the back of the exterior mirror, body color grille surround with the chrome Ram lettering, you have the sport decal on the bed of the truck, and black interior accents. Sport Appearance package, it's a hard maybe. And I really like the look that this package gives the truck. And if I had to make a budget, then this is one of the options that I'd consider giving up. I'm a huge fan of this premium lighting group. In my mind, it's a must-have option. And when we bought my wife's Jeep, one of the things that I insisted on was getting the upgraded lights. With the premium lighting group on the Ram 1500, you get LED reflector headlamps, LED fog lamps, and LED tail lamps. To me, the LED lights really complete this upgraded look. And who doesn't like upgraded headlights? I just can't stop staring at them. This truck does have the factory nav upgrade. And even though most of us are going to use our phones for our navigation purposes, factory nav upgrade does provide some other benefits. The factory nav upgrade is a way for you to get automatic temperature control with the dual climate on there without upgrading to the Level 2 equipment group. Secondly, for a lot of folks, the factory navigation does have better visual appeal because you have a gloss black fascia on the radio screen, and the radio screen is mounted flush with the edge of that fascia. With the Bighorn Level 2 equipment group, probably not going to get it. The Uconnect 5 with factory navigation, if I were looking at a truck with the Level 1 equipment group on it, then for me it's definitely worth adding because it gets that dual climate control and the automatic temperature control, and it's going to keep my wife happy. Now this truck also has the anti-spin differential rear axle for better traction, Mopar front and rear rubber floor mats, an integrated trailer brake control, and a 33-gallon fuel tank. For most customers, that's an individual choice. I like all of them, and I especially love the 33-gallon fuel tank for the longer driving range. But it doesn't really help me much as far as making less stops when I'm with my wife, because we're going to have to pull over for a restroom break anyway. Of course, she'll tell you that all I do is sleep, so who knows. As you can see here, this truck is equipped with 20-inch aluminum chrome-clad wheels. 20-inch wheels, I love the look of them. If I had to choose between that and another feature like the Alpine Sound System, I would much rather have the Alpine Sound System. One feature that I think you should definitely opt for is the rear wheel house liners. Not only do they protect the underside of the bed from rock chips and rust, they look better. And some of my customers have told me that their truck has more road noise without it. On a Bighorn that has this much equipment on it, then you're getting close to the sticker price of a Laramie with the Laramie Level 1 equipment group. And then you really should start thinking about moving up to that Laramie trim package. Now here's a playlist of videos that go over other features and trim levels that are available on the 5th generation Ram 1500. Give it a click and I'll see you there.